Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This tutorial is for the 2026 Honda Pilot. I'm going to show you how to manage your power tailgate. Now, one thing to note here is that you will have a power tailgate as of 2026 across all trim levels. And you can open that via the button on the tailgate. There's a button on the remote and a button on the interior. And you can also close it with this button, but that's not all you can do right there. Above it, it says hold to set height. So here's what I'm going to do. Say you have a low roof area where you park. You need to set this. You hold it down. When you hear those two beeps, that means that you have successfully reset the height of the tailgate, and you repeat that same process if you want to raise it or lower it a little bit more depending on what you want to do. So I'm going to let that open up and let you see how far it goes. Now, one more thing that is very important here, and that is, what do you do if you come back here and you can't use that feature? Now, it will always open manually, but if that power feature isn't working, let's hop inside the driver's seat and I'll show you what to do. What you're going to need to do is on your screen, find Vehicle Settings. And you're going to look down here at Power Tailgate Setup. Now, there's a couple of different things here. Number one, you need to make sure this is checked to on. You can actually come in here and do it just like this. So it may be set to off, manual only. As I mentioned, you can always open it manually, but if you want it to work with that power feature, you need to make sure that is set to on. And you're also going to need to come right here, because this is also something you need to be aware of. You can have any time or when unlocked. So for those of you that are interested in having that feature work that way, there you go. So I hope that helps you out. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Please share it on your timelines on social media so other people can see it. And tell me what you'd like to see on this fully, or I should say refreshed, not fully redesigned, refreshed Honda Pilot. If there's a feature you're wondering about, a tutorial you'd like to see, tell me down in the comment section. I'll make that happen for you. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.